Good afternoon, Matt, and thank you for your inquiry on the new 2020 Palisade right here. This is our wonderful grill with our emblem, Hyundai emblem here. We got our wraparound headlights with our daytime running lights here. Got our gorgeous alloyed wheels, and this is a beautiful white color here. Let's go inside and take a look. Got our beautiful black cloth interior. We have our shift by wire here with park, reverse, neutral, and drive. We have a gorgeous touchscreen here with different capabilities. You have your Android Auto and Apple Play in there. You do have your cruise control with smart cruise control and your Bluetooth capabilities with lane keep assist. And something great here at Tameron Hyundai, we have one of the best warranties in the nation. We have a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, and our powertrain, which is 10-year, 100,000 miles, which we double here at Tameron Hyundai to 20-year, 200,000 miles. My name is Joshua. You can contact me on my personal cell at 334-663-1422. And always remember, you'll love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.